First, let's take a step back and look at the universe as a whole. We know that the universe is expanding, that galaxies are moving away from each other at an accelerating rate. But have you ever wondered why? Why is the universe expanding in the first place? Well, scientists believe that it all comes down to one thing: energy. The universe started out as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. And then bang, the Big Bang. The universe began expanding and cooling, and matter started to form. Galaxies spun themselves up out of clouds of gas and dust. Stars ignited and planets coalesced. All of this happened because of energy. But where did the energy come from? Well, that's where you come in. You see, we are all made of energy. The cells in our bodies are constantly converting different forms of energy into motion, heat, and light. In fact, everything in the universe is made of energy. Take a look around you. Your phone, your computer, your car, even the air you breathe is composed of energy. Energy is literally all around us. But until recently, we didn't know where it came from. In 2012, however, scientists made a groundbreaking discovery. They found something called the Standard Model of Particle Physics, which describes all the fundamental particles in the universe and how they interact with each other. One of those particles is the Higgs boson, often referred to as the God particle. It was the last piece of the puzzle in the Standard Model, and its discovery was hailed as one of the greatest scientific achievements of our time. But the significance of the Higgs boson goes beyond its role in particle physics. You see, the Higgs boson is intimately related to the origin of energy itself. It's the quantum excitation of a field called the Higgs field, which permeates all of space. This means that energy is everywhere and it's constantly flowing. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. A pipe is the Higgs field, and the flow of water represents the flow of energy. But just like water can move faster or slower, energy can also move at different speeds. When the universe was very young, energy was flowing extremely fast. But as the universe expanded and cooled, the flow of energy slowed down too. This is why stars eventually run out of fuel and planets become lifeless rocks. Energy is at the heart of everything, but it's not static. It's always changing, always flowing, and we are all part of that flow. Now, let's take a closer look at you. What are you made of? Your body is composed of trillions of cells, which are the basic units of life. Cells are incredibly complex structures, but at their core, they're really just bags of water with some dissolved chemicals. Water makes up about 60% of your body weight, while the rest is mostly protein, fat, and minerals. But despite this seemingly simple composition, you are capable of some truly amazing things. You can think, feel, and move. You can love, laugh, and cry. You can create, innovate, and dream. All these things and more are possible because of the energy that flows through your body. Every time you take a breath, energy flows from the air in your lungs into your bloodstream. Every time you eat a meal, energy flows from the food into your cells. Every time you move, energy flows from your muscles to your bones. Even when you're sitting still, energy is flowing through your body, keeping everything running smoothly. But where does this energy come from? Well, it ultimately comes from the sun. Plants capture the sun's energy and convert it into chemical energy in the form of sugars. Animals, including humans, eat plants and break down those sugars to release the stored energy. This energy is then used to power everything from the beating of your heart to the firing of your neurons. So yes, we are all ultimately powered by the sun, but we're also powered by everything else in the universe too. Take, for example, the oxygen you breathe. This oxygen was produced by photosynthetic organisms like algae and phytoplankton in our oceans. These tiny organisms use the sun's energy to convert carbon dioxide and water into oxygen and sugar. This means that every breath you take is literally powered by the sun. Similarly, the nitrogen in the air you breathe is fixed by bacteria in our soil. These bacteria convert nitrogen gas into a form that plants can use, which in turn provides energy for animals like you. In other words, we are all interconnected with everything else in the universe. We are all part of a vast web of life that extends throughout the cosmos. You might think that being at the center of the universe means that we are special or unique. But in reality, it's quite the opposite. We are just one small part of a much bigger picture. But maybe that's the most important lesson of all. Maybe it's only by realizing how small we are that we can truly appreciate the vastness of the universe and the preciousness of life. But there's still so much more to explore. There are planets out there that could support life, stars that could have planets of their own, galaxies that could be just like ours. The possibilities are really endless, so don't ever stop asking questions. Don't ever stop exploring. And above all, never stop wondering about the universe and our place in it. After all, we are all made of energy, and we are all connected. And it's this connection that makes us who we are. Have you ever looked up at the stars and felt a sense of awe and wonder? Do you find yourself contemplating the mysteries of the universe and our place in it? Or maybe you're just curious about what's out there beyond our little blue planet. Whatever your reason, you're not alone. The human race has been gazing up at the stars and wondering about the vastness of the universe for thousands of years, and it's no wonder why. The universe is truly amazing. It's filled with wonders that we're only just beginning to understand. From the birth of stars to the death of galaxies, there's always something new to learn and explore. And with the advent of modern technology, we're now able to explore the universe like never before. We've sent spacecraft to other planets in our solar system and beyond. We've discovered exoplanets that could support life, and we're searching for signs of intelligent life out there among the stars. The universe is a big, mysterious place, and we're only just beginning to scratch the surface. But as we learn more about the universe, we also learn more about ourselves. By understanding the laws that govern the cosmos, we gain a deeper appreciation for the miracle of life. We realize just how special our planet is and the importance of protecting it. We also learn that we are not alone in the universe. There may be other life out there that we haven't yet discovered, and that gives us hope that we may one day be able to contact them and learn from each other. So keep looking up at the stars, my friends. Who knows what wonders you may find? What do you find most fascinating about the universe? Let me know in the comments below.